A teeny tiny bird collided with our window and fell on the floor. We heard a bang, ran outside and found her there, spinning on her back. When she stopped, she just stood there, not moving. At the beginning, she struggled to keep her eyes open. We immediately started giving her an energy treatment. Here is a short time-lapse video about the treatment. Checking her reaction time. After about 8 minutes, she became more active.
I'm feeling much better now.
And then,
Thank you. Bye.
she flew away.